Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 10. So just open Google, type Windows 10 bootable USB, and there is an article from Microsoft on how to create installation media for Windows. So there is a tool called, just click on Windows 10 here, it's called Media Creation. And we just need to download this tool on your machine. You need to use a Windows machine to create this tool. So I'm gonna download it and then open it. It's going to be installed on your machine. This tool will collect information from your Windows and then create an ISO file for Windows 10. Then I'm gonna show you how to use this file to copy it on a USB flash drive, a USB drive, and make it a bootable drive. Then you can boot this USB drive into your computer. At the start, if you have anything wrong with the computer, you can use that USB drive to boot from Windows and then start your troubleshooting, installation of a new Windows, erasing the hard drive, and other stuff. Just click on accept. So basically, you need a Windows 10 version to use this tool if you want to create a Windows 10 bootable drive. So this tool is going to collect all the information from your existing version and then create a file which is called ISO file for the Windows 10 itself. This method applies to other Windows also, other Windows version. If you want to create Windows 8.1 or Windows 7, just click on this one. For example, if you want to create a Windows 8.1 version, and then follow the steps on how to do it. And it's easy now since we have Windows 10 to create an installation media for Windows 10 using this creation tool. So I don't want to upgrade this PC, I just need to create an installation media for a USB flash drive, DVD, or an ISO file. So I will just click next. It's telling me it will be English, Windows 10, 64-bit. Yes, that's what I want. Next. I want it to be a USB flash drive or an ISO file. I just need it for an ISO file right now because this ISO file can be used later on. And where I'm going to save it, I'm going to save it in the download folder. And I'll just say this is Windows 10 64-bit ISO. Then I'm going to save it. It will take a long time to create the ISO file. I will pause the video and come back to you once it's finished. Hi, I'm back again after the tool finished creating the ISO file for the Windows 10. So it's telling you here where is the Windows 10 itself. I put it in the download folder. So if I go to the download folder here, I will find an ISO file that contains the image of Windows 10 of my computer. So I will just press finish on the tool. I don't need it anymore. That's finished. And if you double click on this one, it will just emulate as a virtual CD-ROM in your Windows, and you will see that these are the files. If you click on setup, it will start installing Windows 10 again. But this is just a file. I wanted now to make the USB drive a bootable drive and copy these files on it so I can boot it from the USB drive. So I have here an 8 gigabyte USB drive. It's empty, it doesn't have any files. I'll just start from scratch to do it. I will format it. Be sure that it's formatted already. So 7.2 gigabyte NTFS, and the label I will just call it Win 10. Now let's start. And now I formatted the drive and it's empty. By default, the drive itself is not bootable. It's just an external USB drive. I need to make it bootable. So I will go to command prompt. You type cmd. It's searching. I don't want it to search cmd. Yep. So you type cmd, command prompt. You open command prompt and just type disk part and press yes. Now we are in Microsoft Disk Part tool, which will allow me to make this drive a bootable drive. Now I need to know which drive is this drive, the USB drive that I'm going to use. So I will just say list disk. I have here disk 0 is my hard drive for Windows, and disk 1 is the one I want, which is almost 8 gigabyte and it's free. So I will select this one. I will clean. You'll notice that it's disappeared from the computer. Now here is the tricky part. I will format fs equal ntfs and quick. Yeah, because I cleaned it, I need to create partition primary. Now the partition is created. I need to format it, so I will type format fs equal ntfs and quick. The drive is formatted. Now I need to make it bootable, so I will just say active. So this disk now is marked as active, which is bootable. Now I will assign, then Windows will assign a letter, and as you can see, it come back again online on Windows. If you open it, and it's here and it's empty and it's bootable. Now all I need to do is from the ISO file I mounted, I will just copy all the files, select all and copy, and then copy it to the USB drive itself. I will just paste here. Now I formatted the drive, I made the drive bootable, and now I will copy all the setup files to the drive. And once it's finished, the USB drive itself will be bootable. Just wait until it's finished. I'll just make sure that when I restart the machine, it will boot from USB. Just wait until the file is finished. Copying process is finished, I mean. You just need to wait. Okay, it's gonna take some time. I will pause the video and come back again once it's finished. I am back again, and the copy now has finished from the file, ISO file to the USB drive. As you can see, when I restarted the machine, now the USB drive has the same icon as the ISO file. It indicates that the USB drive itself is a bootable drive right now. You can just boot it before Windows boots up. You turn off your machine, plug in your USB drive, and then turn on the machine and press the specified button to boot from a USB drive. Now, for your computer, it's so different for the many models we have on what button on the keyboard to press to boot from a USB drive. Check online on Google, type your computer model and say how to boot from a USB drive. It will tell you. Some models tell you to press F2, some models tell you press F12, F10 or F9 or any other buttons. Just read the instruction on how to boot from the USB drive and then you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and you will get more and more videos about other stuff also.